Hey all, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how AI is growing at breakneck speed. To understand this bit more in detail, let's look at some of the earnings number has come from big AI companies. To start with Meta earnings per share has grown 14% year over year. Revenue last year same quarter 42 billion versus now 56 billion, which is about 33% of the growth. Microsoft earnings per share grew 23%. Revenue same quarter last year 70 billion versus now 82 billion, which is about 18% of the revenue gain year over year. Google earnings per share grew 82% and the revenue same quarter last year 90 billion versus now 110 billion. That's 22% of the revenue growth. Amazon earnings per share grew 75%. Revenue last year same quarter 155 billion versus now 181 billion, which is 17% of the growth. Now people raise concern about their capex guidance for 2026, which we will briefly look at it. Alphabet has given 180 billion versus 190 billion. In fact, they have raised 10 billion more as a guidance for 2026 spend. Microsoft 190 billion again. Amazon 200 billion. Meta from 125 to revised number, which is 145 billion. So which is a huge spend, right? So that shows the amount of demand and the confidence these companies are having in AI. We all talk about AI a couple years before, but these companies have started exploring about the potential of AI at least a decade before. Very clearly they knew what they are spending on. That is the biggest clue for all the enterprise leaders that if you haven't started implementing AI in your ecosystem, it is already late, I would say. If you haven't started, it is the time for you to immediately step into AI and start implementing AI across all your workflow. Entire ecosystem has to be reimagined through AI. And for individuals also, AI is the future and AI is the present. I would say immediately pick up AI course and start implementing AI in every form possible. Rather than seeing this as a threat, we have to see this as an opportunity to adapt and evolve ourselves. With that request, this is for this week and I will talk to you in one another video. Thank you so much. Bye.